Before I introduce, at 10 in the morning, the floor is deep in a debate about how many kinds of laddu a puja box should have. By 2, 1, go.
Yes, sir.
Over the past week or so, right? In anticipation and preparation for what I want to say to you guys today. And I got to chapter 8 in our book. That story, that chapter starts with a story. A young intern, 19 years old, in our company. She was working for a 3-month long internship. In month 2 of a 3-month long internship, she comes and she approaches my co-founder and best friend Akshay. And she says, you know, my grandmother's really unwell. Can I take the entire month just working from home and spend time with her? It's been about 2 years, right? But I still think about that quite a bit. The reason it's relevant is both of us thought, okay, what's the worst that could happen, right? Productive and best pieces of work we have received from any intern that we have worked with ever.
We must give them space. Future belongs to them. And I totally agree with you. In fact, I was looking forward to read the book first. Because whenever I go for this kind of inauguration or book release, it's always good to have उसको पहले पढ़ लो, उसके बाद जो भी nuances, उसके बाद से comment. Synopsis उन्होंने मुझे दे दिया था, जो मैंने Wendy, Devans and Aditya saw. यार जेनजी वाले लिखते भी क्या आजकल जिन्हें आई ऑलवेज फाइंड देम आइदर इन सोशल मीडिया उसी दुनिया में रहते हैं यार 24 घंटा मोर और लेस अपना उसमें दुनिया में रह रहे एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि यू नो दिस शोज कि यस यू कैन डू दैट एंड आई एम श्योर देवांश एंड आदित्य यू हैव सेट अ बेंचमार्क कीप राइटिंग नॉट ओनली सिर्फ किताबें लिखना है इस किताब को मेक इट मोर पॉपुलर यूज एआई यूज फ्लिपकार्ट यूज अमेजन इन फैक्ट आई वुड the gist of जो भी आप लिखेंगे ना, I am going to read it thoroughly, and it can help us to understand it better. आगे में भी किस तरह से not only for policy का बात for all of us, क्योंकि ये कहते हैं ना generation gap हमारा जमाना में नहीं होता, अब वो दूरी अब बाहर चला गया है, and I am very glad not only that I read the background, जिस तरह से दिवांश ने इस IIM आमिर you can't blame them, you can't blame each and everyone, all of us. मुझे when I was in UN, I visited almost 37 countries. दुख होता है कि Gen Z
management maxing Gen Z as a workforce. The topic of Gen Z is such that everyone across the ages, if it's maybe if you go to your home, you speak to your children, you talk about Gen Z. Then you go to your workspace, you interact, and most of the time, the most common topic of discussion is generally about Gen Zs. Primarily because of the fact that what they have done in Jantar Mantar, but also because the unique thing about this generation is that this is a global generation. And what I mean by global generation is that millennials and other categories of generations, they had
work we have to do as a society, led by the Gen Z, to deliver our collective goal of Viksit Bharat. And this kind of wealth creation will not be possible if you don't have disruptive ideas. If the bravest and the most creative people in the Gen Z don't become entrepreneurs. My favorite data point, generally we have a lot of boring meetings in the government, sometimes very senior bureaucrats, and when I want to convince senior people to go ahead with a disruptive idea, there's a data point which I use, which is one of my favorite data points on what we need to do as a country to become Viksit Bharat in 2047. And I'll leave with that data point as a starting point for Devansh and Chandra to write the second book. I like looking at the geographical composition of Fortune in the government, sometimes very senior bureaucrats. And when I want to convince senior people to go ahead with a disruptive idea, there's a data point which I use, which is one of my favorite data points on what we need to do as a country to become Viksit Bharat in 2047, and I'll leave with that data point as a starting point for Devansh and Chandra to write the second book. I like looking at the geographical composition of Fortune 500 companies. As all of you know, Fortune 500 is a list of the biggest companies in the world. And I looked at the geographical composition of Fortune 500 companies in the year 2000 and in the year 2023.
The book not only consists our ideas or our thought processes, but this book is backed by and blessed by the forwards of that is written by Shri Pabitra Margarita ji, who is the External Minister and the Textile Minister of India, and Sujit Kumar ji, who is the Rajya Sabha MP from Odisha. Robin sir has also supported us and blessed us with his guidance, and we are very grateful that such support has come for this book. Now, what is Gen Z? We are often misled, and we are not we're taking for granted in general because of the weightage that we have been putting up on every family. But I think this is the psychological reason that they have been going so far, and I think the experience is something new that they're doing. And even if you call me at midnight, I would not mind, because I am really interested with the work that I'm into. So interest-driven workforce we have seen in this phenomena of workforce, and along with that, the context is something that drives the young forces. And also, like, the salary component of it is just the power of the stature and what adds up to the. Well, India, one of the median young economies. This book is not only pertaining towards the Indian economic or Indian Gen Zs, but this is talking about all the workforce across the world. Now, in India and the UN context, the UN has explicitly divided 3 segments of the nation status. One is the development.
राज्य सभा IPS ऑफिसर्स एंड तमाम ऑफिसर्स और पॉलिसी मेकर्स का हम बहुत ग्रैटिट्यूड है हमें कि हम किताब लिख सकें. एंड इट इज़ ओनली पॉसिबल व्हेन यू हैव सपोर्ट फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ गुड पीपल विद एन इंटेंट टू ग्रो टुगेदर. एंड ये किताब हमने बहुत श्रद्धा से लिखी है कि आज का युवा भारत में राज्य नहीं, पूरा विदेश और अलग अलग तमाम देशों को अच्छे से चलाए. ये सोच पैदा हुई ऐसे कि जब ये प्रोटेस्ट हुआ तो ये कौन चला, अगर कोई भी हो, मतलब कि ऑपोजिशन का हो, वॉर का हो, बट ये चला तो युवा ही रहा है. और युवा जब चला रहा है पूरा प्रोग्रेस, तो एक बड़ा विचार आया कि हम लोगों को तमाम तरीके से मैनेजमेंट फॉर्मल सेक्टर में भी काम कैसे उपाय. That is more important. But anyhow, that is most important that we grow together, company and countries grow together, और विकसित भारत 2047 पहुँचेंगे. अभी जल्दी है और बड़े शॉर्ट टाइम में किताब का ये हम किताब तकरीबन 1.25 साल से लिखे. ये एक विचार आया कि हम लोग इसके ऊपर भी कोई भी देश में कुछ भी चीज़ हो रही है तो जेन ज़ी ही आगे बढ़ रहा है और जेन ज़ी ही आगे चीज़ें कर रहे हैं. तो ये विचार हमने डाला दिमाग में, बट 1.25 साल हो गया हम इस किताब को लिखे.
को मैनेज कैसे किया जाए उसके ऊपर इसका जो मेजर जो फोकस है. और मेरा ये मानना है कि जेन ज़ी एक ऐसा जनरेशन है जो कि चाहे इंडिया हो चाहे दूसरा कोई देश हो, सिमिलर सा एक्सपीरियंस है, क्योंकि इनके अंदर जो डिजिटल नेटिव्स हैं, उसका मतलब कि बचपन से ही इनको मोबाइल इंटरनेट सब कुछ मिलता आ रहा है. और जो इंटरनेट मोबाइल सब कुछ इंटरकनेक्टेड है. एक जैसे US ईरान वॉर हो रही है, अगर आप 20-30 साल पहले की बात होती तो हमें पता नहीं होता कि ये वॉर चल रही है. बट सोशल मीडिया और इंटरनेट और ये सब कुछ के कारण अब सभी को पता लगे. तो इसका मतलब जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं जेन ज़ी के अक्रॉस बाउंड्रीज और एरियाज सिमिलर है, और उसके कारण उनके हैबिट्स भी सिमिलर है. अगर हैबिट्स होंगी तो उनको मैनेज भी करने का जो तरीका है वो भी सिमिलर है. तो मैं इनको बधाई देना चाहूँगा, दोनों ऑथर्स को, देवांश को भी और आदित्य को भी, कि उन्होंने एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट रेलेवेंट टॉपिक के ऊपर किताब लिखी है, जो कि हमारे लिए तो बेनिफिशियल रहेगी, साथ साथ में दूसरों के लिए भी बेनिफिशियल रहेगी. अगर जो ट्रेडिशनली जो मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर जो भी किताबें वगैरह लिखी गई हैं यूरोप, अमेरिका और इन देशों में ज़्यादा